Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese Class 101.com. I'm Olivia and today we are in Hong Kong on the Peak. The Peak is one of the top tourist attractions and I'm gonna tell you 5 words and phrases you need to know when you visit the Peak. 山頂, the peak. So 山 is mountain or hill and 頂 is the top, the very tip top. So the peak, 山頂. 我哋今日上山頂咯. Let's go to the peak today. And the next word is 維港. 維港, Victoria Harbour. So behind me, between those two lands, that's Victoria Harbour, 維港. 我哋可以搭渡輪過維港. We can take the ferry across the Victoria Harbour. And the next phrase is 好靚啊. It's really beautiful. So when you see a view like this, you can say 好靚啊. It's really beautiful. And the next word is 尖沙咀. 尖沙咀 is a district. It's a very famous tourist attraction. So a lot of museums and shops and hotels are there and restaurants. So you can check it out there. 尖沙咀, that's the district name. It means, well, 尖is like pointy, 沙is sand, and 咀 is mouth. It doesn't make any sense, it's just a name. And the next word is 潮濕, humid. The weather is super humid right now and it's very hot. So 天氣好潮濕, the weather is very humid. Hong Kong usually start getting humid between May and September, so it's very sticky everywhere, but it's still nice to visit. So that's it for today. Today we talk about 5 words and phrases that you should know when you're visiting Hong Kong at the Peak. And I'll see you next time. 下次見. Bye!
Great work! Don't forget your free language learning downloads. Get free cheat sheets, lessons, and audiobooks every month. Sign up for your premium gifts of the month right now. Just click the link in the description.